Hello and welcome to your ThriftCart account. We're excited that you've chosen to implement ThriftCart point of sale at your store. In this video, we will look at how to ring up a sale on your register with price tag color-based discounting. First, you will access your ThriftCart account with the link provided, and you should see a screen very similar to what we're looking at here, where it prompts for your username and password. Go ahead and enter your username, password, and select Login. Then in your left-hand menu, select Point of Sale and Inventory and choose the second option, Cash Register. At this time, you'll be prompted to select your store location if you have multiple locations and your register profile. If you don't see the register profile you're looking for, select the red button to show hidden options and then select it again, Yes, Show Hidden Options. Select your store location and then confirm. You should now see a register layout that looks something like this, although your exact layout will probably be different, depending on the price tag colors you use, payments you accept, and other features you may or may not have turned on in your account. In the left hand of the register, you should see your price tag colors. As we see here, red, green, blue, yellow, though you might have other colors. Below your tag colors, you should see some action buttons, like opening the cash drawer, emptying the cart, suspending transaction, and so on. In the center of your screen is where transaction details will ring up, as well as the button where you can add a customer to a transaction if you're running a loyalty program or otherwise want to collect customer data. And in the right hand of your screen, you should see where your subtotal, sales tax, grand total, and balance due should be displayed as you ring up items and take payments. Below this are your payment tender types. If you don't see a payment type listed that you do accept, please let us know so we can get this added. Okay, let's ring up an item. To note, for anything that you have a barcode on, you'll simply need to have your mouse cursor in the box where it says scan or key in barcode, and then scan the barcode on the item. For this video, we'll focus on ringing up items with the register buttons as opposed to using barcodes. First, you'll choose the color of the price tag on the item you are ringing up. For instance, let's select the blue ticket. You will then select the applicable department, let's say doors, and any sub-department if applicable. I'll choose interior door. In this pop-up box, I can increase my quantity from the default of 1 to say 2 interior doors. Keep in mind, both of these doors should have a blue ticket applied to them, otherwise you should ring them up separately in order that the discount apply appropriately. And now I will choose a price from the preset price points in the center of my screen or key in a custom price on the right hand side. Let's put in a custom price of $25 a piece. Select the blue Add to Cart button, and now you should see 2 interior doors ring up at $25 a piece. You'll notice the subtotal is also $25 because a 50% discount automatically applied based on the blue color ticket that I rang up. Let's go through this again with a white ticket that is outside of our color rotation. I'll select white, choose furniture, maybe a desk, select the $30 price point, and this time you'll notice that no discount applied. Once you've rang up a number of items, go ahead and select the cash payment button. Here you'll see that a cashier is given the option to round up the purchase to the nearest dollar, add a 10% donation, or choose to do not round up. You might consider having a script for your cashiers that they memorize and can easily repeat to a customer, asking for a roundup or 10% donation. In this case, let's go ahead and add a 10% donation by selecting the yellow button. The cashier doesn't need to do any math at this point, but ThriftCart does the math for them, adds in the donation, and increases the balance due to $64.58. You can now key in the amount of money that was received, or select from the preset bill denominations here on your right-hand menu. In this case, let's say a customer gave a $100 bill. Since the amount paid exceeds the amount due, ThriftCart determines that the sale is complete and automatically routes to the receipt screen. We can set it so that your receipts automatically print at this time, or that your cashier selects to print a receipt. Optionally, they can email a receipt, or return to the register without printing or emailing a receipt. Notice that the change due is shown in red above the receipt. I will select the green Return to Register button and am now ready to ring up another sale. Feel free for yourself, your staff, and your volunteers to ring up as many test transactions as you would like during the training phase of your point of sale implementation. Please make note of any questions or anything you see in your account that may be misconfigured. We would look forward to getting these addressed before any training sessions with your cashiers. When ready, feel free to proceed on to the next training video. Happy training!